In the small Gloucestershire market town of Berkeley sits a castle dating back to the Norman conquest. The original castle was built in 1067 by William Fitzosborne as a motte and bailey fortification. William was a relative of William the Conqueror and one of his closest counselors. He was given the first ever English peerage, the Earl of Hereford. The castle and lands were granted to the Norman Roger de Berkeley after he was made a feudal baron by William the Conqueror. In the mid-11th century, the original motte and bailey was transformed into a stone shell keep. This included 3 half-towers and 1 larger rectangular, known as Thorpe's Tower. On the 15th of June in 1215, the barons met at the castle before the signing of the Magna Carta. This established the principles that the crown was not above the law and setting the framework for English law and democracy, still in use today. One of the darkest moments in the castle's history took place in 1327. King Edward II was imprisoned and then murdered on the 21st September. A detailed and chilling account of the murder was entered into the English chronicles stating, "His cries did move many within the castle and town of Berkeley to compassion." The murder was kept secret, and Parliament were told King Edward had met with a fatal accident. His body remained in state for over a month within the castle's keep, until Thomas de Berkeley escorted him to Gloucester Abbey for burial. Throughout the centuries, the castle has seen many restorations. The Great Hall and Chapel of St. Mary were added in the late 13th century with ornate vaulted ceilings and biblical passage written in Old Norman French. Berkeley Castle has remained in the private ownership of the Berkeley family since the late 13th century, after it was returned to the family by the Crown, making it the UK's longest continually occupied castle by the same family other than Royal Windsor Castle.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.